Most people believe that eating tuna every day is one of the healthiest choices you can make, but for many adults over 60, it could quietly be doing more harm than good. What's surprising is that some of the fish often ignored at the supermarket actually provide better nutrition, fewer contaminants, and gentler digestion for older bodies. As we age, our metabolism slows, our liver filters less efficiently, and certain minerals build up faster, making us more sensitive to sodium, mercury, and heavy oils. According to the Cleveland Clinic, choosing the right type of fish can dramatically improve brain clarity, energy levels, and even joint comfort. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful fish that outperform tuna for daily senior nutrition, and why one might completely change your weekly menu. Stay until the end because one surprises almost everyone over 60. Comment yes if you want more videos like this. For decades, tuna has been seen as the gold standard, quick, lean, and full of protein. It's the fish that fills countless lunch sandwiches, salads, and heart-healthy meal plans. But here's the quiet truth. Not all of tuna's nutrients come without cost, especially for older adults. Many common types of tuna, especially albacore and yellowfin, contain higher levels of mercury than most. People realize, over time, that can build up in the body and subtly affect energy, focus, and even balance. Plus, many canned tuna products are loaded with salt to preserve freshness, something older kidneys and blood pressure simply don't appreciate. And while tuna is rich in protein, it's surprisingly low in key nutrients that aging bodies crave, like vitamin D and calcium. So, if tuna isn't the perfect everyday fish, what is? Up next, let's uncover why your age makes the choice of fish more important than ever. As we move through our 50s, 60s, and beyond, our bodies change in ways that make certain fish safer and others more stressful. Our liver and kidneys don't filter toxins as efficiently as they once did. That means heavy metals like mercury can linger longer in the bloodstream. Even trace amounts, over months or years, may subtly affect memory, balance, or joint comfort. Digestion also slows down with age. Tuna, being a dense and sometimes dry protein, can take longer to process, leaving many older adults feeling bloated or fatigued after eating. And for those on common medications like blood pressure or thyroid pills, the sodium and preservatives found in canned tuna can interfere with how those drugs work. According to the Mayo Clinic, adults over 60 should focus on fish that are naturally rich in omega-3s but low in mercury and salt fish that nourish the heart without overloading the system. So, the question becomes, which fish deliver steady energy, sharp mind support, and joint-friendly nutrition without the hidden risks? Coming up next, we'll look at the qualities that make a fish truly senior-friendly and how to spot them at the market. When it comes to healthy eating after 57, not every fish fits the bill. A senior-friendly fish isn't just low in fat. It's a perfect blend of gentle protein, protective oils, and low-toxin nutrition. Here's what matters most. First, omega-3 fatty acids. These help keep blood flowing smoothly and support memory and focus. Harvard research links regular omega-3 intake with better cognitive function in older adults. Second, low mercury and sodium levels. Seniors are more vulnerable to buildup, which can quietly strain the heart, kidneys, and nerves. Third, digestibility. Lighter, softer fish are easier on aging stomachs and better for those taking medications. Finally, nutrient density. Vitamin D, calcium, and selenium all play key roles in energy, mood, and immune balance. Now that we know what to look for, let's count down the 5 fish that truly outperform tuna, starting with number 5. 5. Herring. Coming in at number 5 is a fish that's quietly been called the forgotten superfood of the sea herring. Unlike tuna, herring is naturally rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, and vitamin B12 nutrients that older adults often need more of for steady energy, bone strength, and brain clarity. Just one small fillet can meet your daily omega-3 needs without the mercury worries that come with larger ocean fish. What makes herring so powerful for seniors is how balanced it is. It's oily enough to protect your joints and arteries, yet soft and easy to digest. For anyone over 60 who struggles with fatigue or stiffness in the morning, those natural oils can make a quiet difference in how your body feels throughout the day. According to the NIH, vitamin D from foods like herring supports calcium absorption, a key factor in maintaining bone density and muscle coordination as we age. Here's a real-world example. Margaret, age 72, replaced her lunchtime tuna sandwich with grilled herring twice a week. Within a month, she noticed fewer afternoon energy dips and smoother digestion. It wasn't a miracle food. It was simply the right fuel for her body's stage of life. The only caution: herring can be high in sodium if it's pickled or smoked. Choose fresh or lightly grilled fillets for the healthiest option. Coming up next, a smaller fish with even bigger benefits for your heart and bones, especially if you're on a budget. 4. Sardines. At number 4, we have one of the most affordable and powerful fish for older adults. Sardines. Don't let their small size fool you. Sardines are a nutritional powerhouse, especially for anyone over 60 who wants strength, sharper thinking, and easier digestion without spending a fortune. These tiny fish are loaded with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s, the exact trio that supports bone density, heart rhythm, and brain performance. Unlike tuna, sardines sit low on the food chain, meaning they naturally contain almost no mercury. That makes them one of the safest fish to eat several times a week. Sardines also bring something unique: natural calcium from their soft, edible bones. For adults in their 60s and 70s, this can quietly strengthen bone tissue and lower the risk of minor fractures. A study from the Cleveland Clinic found that older adults who eat oily fish like sardines regularly show better cardiovascular health and less stiffness in their joints. That's because these fish reduce silent inflammation, one of the key drivers of fatigue and soreness in later life. Take Tom, 68, who swapped his weekly tuna cans for sardines packed in olive oil. Within weeks, he noticed steadier energy and less afternoon brain fog, and he was saving money. 2. If you're choosing canned sardines, look for ones in olive oil or water, not sauces or brine. Drain them lightly and pair them with whole grain crackers or a small salad for a heart-healthy meal that's easy to prepare. Next up, the gentle, mild-tasting fish that many seniors love because it's soft, on digestion, yet rich in nutrients your heart will thank you for. 3. Rainbow trout. At number 3, we find one of nature's gentlest yet most nourishing fish, rainbow trout. This freshwater favorite often flies under the radar, but for adults over 60, it's one of the easiest fish to digest and among the best for steady daily nutrition. Rainbow trout provides a clean source of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and potassium, all essential for maintaining energy and muscle strength. Unlike tuna, it's low in mercury and has a soft, moist texture that makes it ideal for older digestion. According to Harvard Health, omega-3s in freshwater fish like trout help reduce irregular heart rhythms and support sharper cognitive performance. 2 major concerns as we age. Trout also supplies natural selenium, a mineral that supports the immune system and helps protect cells from age-related stress. Real example: Joan, 74, started enjoying pan-seared rainbow trout twice a week instead of canned tuna. Within weeks, she noticed less bloating and a calmer stomach. She called it the first fish that didn't make me feel heavy after lunch. For the healthiest results, look for farmed or wild-caught rainbow trout, as these are sustainably raised and free from high contaminant levels. Simply bake it with lemon and herbs, and you'll have a flavorful, senior-friendly meal rich in essential nutrients. But we're not done yet. The next fish on our list offers richer flavor, stronger heart protection, and powerful brain support that even rivals the supplements many seniors take daily. 2. Atlantic salmon. At number 2 is the fish that's often called nature's multivitamin, Atlantic salmon. For adults over 50, it's one of the most complete foods you can eat to support your heart, brain, and joints all in one delicious meal. Salmon is exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, the same healthy fats that help stabilize mood, lower triglycerides, and keep arteries flexible. According to Harvard Medical School, older adults who eat salmon or similar fish twice a week may reduce their risk of cognitive decline and maintain healthier blood flow to the brain. Beyond its omega-3s, salmon provides vitamin D, B vitamins, and selenium, nutrients that help protect against fatigue, support metabolism, and keep the immune system alert. It's also lower in mercury than most tuna, making it safer for regular use, especially if you're managing blood pressure or medications. For older adults who struggle with stiff joints or morning aches, those natural fish oils can act as gentle joint lubricants. Many people describe less stiffness after just a few weeks of consistent salmon meals. Take Robert, 69, who replaced his canned tuna lunches with grilled salmon twice a week. Within a month, his energy levels were higher, his mind clearer, and his doctor even noted improved cholesterol numbers. For best results, choose wild-caught or responsibly farmed Atlantic salmon, and bake or grill it lightly. No heavy sauces needed. Now, as rich as salmon is, the one fish on our list takes everything even further, delivering more omega-3s per ounce than any other common fish. And it's the one that shocks almost everyone over 60. 1. Mackerel. And here it is, number 1 on our list. The fish that outperforms tuna, salmon, and nearly every other choice for complete daily nutrition, mackerel. This powerful, often overlooked fish is nature's richest source of omega-3 fatty acids per ounce. Just one serving can deliver more than your entire day's recommended intake without the high mercury levels found in many larger fish. But omega-3s are only part of the story. Mackerel is also packed with vitamin B12, selenium, niacin, and coenzyme Q10, a compound that helps your cells produce steady energy. For adults over 60, this combination supports sharper thinking, better circulation, and sustained strength throughout the day. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, these nutrients are key in maintaining brain health and protecting cells from oxidative stress, a factor linked to aging, fatigue, and memory lapses. What sets mackerel apart from tuna is how easily it nourishes without straining the body. It's soft, moist, and rich in natural oils that lubricate joints, ease morning stiffness, and keep your heart rhythm steady. Those same oils also help support skin elasticity, a subtle bonus many older adults notice after a few months of consistent intake. Real example, Susan, age 71, used to rely on tuna salad several times a week, but after learning about mackerel, she switched to baked fillets brushed with olive oil and herbs twice weekly. In just 4 weeks, she noticed fewer energy crashes, smoother digestion, and a clearer sense of focus in the mornings. Mackerel is also more budget-friendly than salmon and often sold fresh or frozen in easy-to-cook portions. It can be grilled, baked, or pan-seared with a little lemon, garlic, and parsley. Simple, flavorful, and deeply nourishing. The one caution, some varieties like king mackerel can contain moderate mercury, so opt for Atlantic or Pacific mackerel, which are both safe and low in contaminants according to the Cleveland Clinic. In essence, mackerel is the ultimate smart fish for seniors, high in good fats, low in toxins, easy on digestion, and packed with energy-boosting nutrients. It's the quiet nutritional hero that proves you don't need expensive supplements to feel stronger, clearer, and more vibrant each day. Coming up next, let's quickly recap all 5 fish and see how they compare side by side, so you can easily choose the right ones for your weekly meals. Let's bring it all together. Here's how the 5 best fish for seniors compare and why each one easily outshines tuna in daily nutrition. At number 5, we started with herring, a gentle but powerful source of vitamin D and omega-3s that help keep bones strong and joints flexible. It's low in mercury and best enjoyed fresh or lightly grilled. At number 4, we saw sardines, the tiny but mighty fish packed with calcium and heart-protective fats. Because they're so low in mercury, they're safe to eat several times a week, especially when packed in olive oil or water. Number 3, rainbow trout is perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. It's light, flaky, and supports both brain and heart function best served baked or pan-seared. Number 2. Atlantic salmon. Delivers complete nutrition, omega-3s for memory, vitamin D for energy, and selenium for immune balance. It's best enjoyed wild-caught and lightly grilled. And finally, number 1. Mackerel. With the highest omega-3 concentration per ounce, this low-mercury fish fuels your brain, protects your heart, and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Each of these fish offers what tuna can't: cleaner fats, richer nutrients, and smoother digestion for adults over 60s. Rotate them through your meals, and you'll nourish your body, lift your energy, and feel younger from the inside out. Here's the bottom line. Eating well after 60 isn't about dieting or giving things up. It's about choosing smarter fuel for a body that's earned the right kind of care. Tuna had its time. It's quick, familiar, and easy. But your body today deserves something better. Foods that restore, protect, and energize you from the inside out. Each fish we've covered, from herring to mackerel, offers a small, meaningful upgrade. Better oils for your heart, softer textures for your digestion, cleaner nutrients for your brain and bones. These aren't luxury foods. They're everyday allies in staying vibrant, active, and independent. So as you plan your next meal, think of it as nourishment, not routine. A simple plate of salmon, trout, or sardines could be your quiet investment in another healthy decade of living well. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who cares about healthy aging, and subscribe for more senior wellness insights every week. Your support helps us reach more people who want to age with strength, clarity, and confidence. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite fish? Or which one from this list will you try next? Leave your answer in the comments below. Your ideas inspire others. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Stay well, stay vibrant, and keep nourishing the life you've built.